Bless up. We have motion. Today we motion to Parque Nahomi, a nice little area in Quepos. Beautiful scenic place. You can walk, you can have a picnic, you can do some exercising. This is what it's about. Hope you like, share, comment, subscribe. Have you been here? Tell me about your experience. Also, you can do many things from these places. They have activities to where you can launch out and you can do some swimming or stand-up paddle boards or kayaking. They have many services that you can rent. Beautiful place. I'll let you enjoy it. Good morning, team. Happy July 5th. This is not Daytona Beach. This is my backyard. Rory knows about this spot. I can't wait for the rest of you to know about this spot. This is Parque Nahomi, a little cove near my home. A cove of beautifulness. And awesomeness, not awfulness, awesomeness. Some stand-uppers in the waters. I know I probably sent you a video before. I jumped off of this rock into that water. I did that before. I did that. Anyway, team, pura vida, good morning, ciao. Yeah, sorry about that. So again, I think I did it in the Jamaican jerk chicken video. The video was actually for my crew, group chat, Team Cog. But you guys are my team as well, so that's why I kept it in, because everything I said to them, I mean it with you. And also, I need more content, and I still not getting over the fact that I need to put my face on here on a weekly basis and get out in the public and record with a camera or a phone, which I have, still getting to it. So the next couple of videos, but we're getting there. Stay tuned. Don't give up on your boy. Continue to look at this beautiful, gorgeous scenery. I hope I'm not ruining the moment. Back to the action. Anyway, fam, there you have it. That is Parque Nahomi, or Parque Nahomi, if you want to say it like a Tico. Sorry, you see how the video switched? I went from sideways to long ways. Rookie mistakes, ease like that. Still, hope you enjoyed it. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.